Widget jobs will not be replaced by AI. In a world where artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, the fear of job displacement is prevalent across industries. The IT sector, in particular, faces continuous evolution, with automation and AI streamlining processes once handled exclusively by humans. However, certain IT roles remain resistant to complete AI replacement due to their complexity, creativity, and need for human intuition. This story explores the IT jobs that will likely endure, even as AI continues to progress. 1. AI and machine learning engineers. Ironically, the very professionals responsible for designing and developing AI systems will remain indispensable. AI and machine learning, ML engineers create sophisticated algorithms, train models, and fine-tune machine learning applications. While AI can assist in optimizing its own models, human oversight remains crucial for innovation, ethical considerations, and problem-solving. These engineers must ensure that AI operates efficiently, ethically, and without bias, a task that requires human judgment and creativity. 2. Cybersecurity experts. With AI-powered cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, cybersecurity experts are essential in safeguarding sensitive data and infrastructure. AI can aid in identifying threats and automating responses, but it lacks the adaptability, strategic thinking, and ethical considerations that human professionals bring. Cybersecurity specialists must anticipate and counteract novel attack vectors, requiring a level of intuition and experience that AI has yet to master. 3. IT project managers. AI may streamline project management through automation, but IT project managers play a crucial role in coordinating teams, understanding business objectives, and making strategic decisions. Managing an IT project involves communication, negotiation, problem-solving, and leadership, qualities that AI lacks. Project managers also navigate unforeseen challenges, shifting priorities, and interpersonal dynamics, ensuring successful project completion. 4. UX/UI designers, user experience, UX, and user interface, UI. Designers focus on creating intuitive and engaging digital experiences. While AI can assist with data-driven design decisions, it lacks the deep understanding of human emotions, cultural nuances, and creativity required for exceptional design. Human designers analyze user behavior, test prototypes, and create innovative interactions that AI simply cannot replicate at the same level. 5. Software engineers and developers. Although AI can generate code and automate testing, software engineers and developers remain irreplaceable for complex and creative programming tasks. Developing scalable, secure, and efficient software requires critical thinking, architectural decision-making, and debugging expertise that AI cannot fully grasp. Human developers also collaborate with stakeholders to understand business needs and translate them into functional applications. 6. IT. Consultants and solution architects. IT consultants and solution architects analyze business problems and design tailored technology solutions. AI lacks the ability to deeply understand business goals, navigate complex organizational structures, and provide customized strategic guidance. These roles require human expertise to evaluate different technologies, mitigate risks, and align IT solutions with long-term business strategies. 7. Data scientists and analysts. While AI can process vast amounts of data, data scientists and analysts interpret results, draw meaningful insights, and make data-driven decisions. Understanding the context, identifying anomalies, and translating findings into actionable strategies require human reasoning. Moreover, ethical concerns around data usage and bias mitigation demand human oversight to ensure responsible AI practices. 8. Technical support and IT help desk roles. Although AI-powered chatbots and automated troubleshooting systems can assist users, technical support specialists are necessary for complex problem-solving and customer interactions. Human technicians bring empathy, adaptability, and critical thinking to address unique or unforeseen technical issues that AI cannot handle effectively. 9. Ethical AI specialists. As AI adoption grows, ethical concerns regarding bias, transparency, and accountability increase. Ethical AI specialists ensure that AI systems align with ethical standards, legal frameworks, and social responsibilities. AI cannot regulate itself. Human intervention is necessary to prevent unintended consequences and ensure responsible AI development. Conclusion: AI is undoubtedly transforming the IT landscape, automating routine tasks and enhancing efficiency. However, roles requiring creativity, strategic thinking, ethical considerations, and human interaction remain beyond AI's capabilities. IT professionals who continuously adapt, upskill, and leverage AI as a tool rather than a replacement will remain invaluable in the ever-evolving tech industry.